Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Ibrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. Today we're gonna unbox something which is so good. This is for the gamers. As some of you guys know, I'm a gamer too, and especially I'm a PC gamer. And another kind of stuff. For further ado, let's get started because I'm just so pumped to this kind of project which we're gonna do. So we're gonna just unbox this kind of product. We're gonna just keep it on our arsenal, and we're gonna play alongside. So enough of me talking, let's get started. As you can see guys, this is the Porodo gaming kit. I just have to cut it this way. So this is the Porodo gaming kit. It's an ultimate gaming kit because it comes with 5-in-1. First of all, it has a speaker which it has a RGB, and it has a mouse which it has a RGB, and a mechanical keyboard which has an RGB, and last but not least, you're getting what is it? Mousepad. Yeah, you're getting a mousepad in here, so it's really kind of amazing throughout this kind of gaming kit. And last but not least, you're getting a microphone which you can see here, this kind of microphone here throughout the picture, which it's really kind of vibrant. So we're gonna just unbox this kind of ultimate gaming kit, and we gonna just do one thing. We're gonna keep it on an arsenal and see how it looks like. And if you want to, you can just see how it is, and you can just keep it on your arsenal too and see what's going on. So this is for the gamers, and not only gamers but people who love that kind of RGB looking setup with the dopeness throughout it. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here we have it. This is our gaming ultimate kit, and we're gonna just open it and see what's going on throughout this kind of ultimate kit. Is it good enough, or is just a gimmick? But to be honest, this is good enough. It's a really kind of dope combo throughout here. And yeah, I just opened it in a very bad way, and I feel sorry for my monitor first because I was hitting it. So you can see here we're having this kind of RGB kind of like mechanical keyboard throughout here. You can see here we're having it, and we're gonna just open it so some of you guys can see what's going on throughout this kind of keyboard. It's quite not bad. It's not 100% mechanical, because if you want to feel mechanical keyboard, let me show you how it is so as you can understand. You hear this, you can hear those kind of keycap, right? That's mechanical. But this one, it's a little bit kind of silent. It's quite not bad. It's kind of great. It's good. So correct me if I'm wrong if it's not mechanical. Another kind of stuff, what's inside the boxes. You can see here we are having 1, 2, 3 boxes. We're gonna start with this first box and see what's inside. Man, what comes in here, it's a gaming mouse. So you can see here guys, we are having a gaming mouse. It's really kind of good, and this is 1.5 meters wire coated, which is really kind of awesome throughout this kind of gaming mouse. You can see here how it is. You can go back and forward, and you can have DPI, and this is an RGB control, which is really kind of awesome. We're gonna have a look at it. That kind of stuff. What's next? What's inside this kind of bad boys? What's in here? Is it the speakers? Well, if it's the speakers, well, it's really impressive. Whoa, these speakers are smaller than how it looks on the picture. I was like, these speakers will be bigger, but these speakers looks very tiny. They are really small. Just let's see what's inside these kind of speakers, the look and feel. To be honest, I'm really kind of pumped to see what's going on through all these kind of speakers. And yeah, so what's in here? What's in here? As you can see guys, let me just keep it this way. As you can see guys, these are the speakers. They're really small, not like the way they're in the box, because on the box shows you looks bigger, but I really love this. They are really minimal. I wish they could be having like a mounter here. You can mount it on the tripod. I wish that, but overall they're really great. We're gonna see how much the RGB of it looks like. Another kind of stuff, you're having this kind of coated throughout, controlling the volume throughout the speaker, and throughout the speaker you can see there's a jack port. Is this? Yes, it's a jack pin, and a USB port, which it's not a port but a USB cable. Yeah. What's next? What's the bigger next thing? I think this, it's a microphone. I think so. So yeah. So this is a microphone, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, looking really dope, really great. And we're gonna use and test it. And this is like the on and adjustment throughout the microphone pick, I think so. And you can see at the back how it looks like. It's really good. And this is the USB cable throughout connecting on your PC, which is really kind of awesome. So this is the microphone of the game, which is really good. Last but not least, it's a mouse pad. So this is a gaming mouse pad. As you can see, guys, it's really smaller. It's not an XL. This is a smaller version of XL, and it's really kind of impressive. I don't really kind of like it, but it doesn't have the RGB. I wish even it to have RGB to be much better. But overall, it's a great kind of mouse pad, and it's really kind of amazing. As I hope you saw that kind of 5 ultimate gaming kit. Right now, we're gonna just keep it on our setup here of the laptop. I won't keep it on the desktop side. I'm just gonna keep it on the laptop setup here, so as we can keep things together, so as we can game. And we're gonna game on the Game of War and experience what's goody. And another kind of stuff, we're gonna test the microphone, how it picks. We're gonna see the sound of the speakers, how they are they decent enough, or are they good, how are they. We're gonna experience that kind of gaming experience through this 5-in-1 ultimate gaming kit. So guys, as you can see, we are actually done with our ultimate gaming kit, and I just did the setup through the laptop. And sorry guys for the wire, because you know, setting up the wire is a little bit kind of later thing, because arranging the wires, I didn't want to do it from keeping it here, keeping it there, because later on I'm gonna just move everything here and keep it somewhere else. But I just wanted to give you guys some demonstrations so as you can understand how much this kind of gaming kit is gonna be helping you out throughout your gaming arsenal. Not only that, if you want to just something minimal, is this kind of kit good enough to boost you and help you around. So right now we're gonna test out the sound and see how much the sound it picks, because the tiny speakers, they're so small, but are they capable of the sound? Okay, it's quite not bad. It's good. It's a little bit kind of minimal. Oh, I like that kind of vibe. It's good. It's quite not bad, because you're playing a game, you don't want a lot of sound. I don't know about you guys, but this is what you have throughout the ultimate gaming kit. So as you can hear, guys, that's the sound it gives us throughout the gaming ultimate kit. It's really kind of awesome, to be honest. Kind of vibe with that kind of sound, you know what I mean? Kind of vibe with it. It's really good. I'm gonna continue in the game because it's just somewhere here. Let's walk. You can see there Kratos. I was like, Thanos, where's Thanos? We are clutching right now. You can see there where he left. Let's do this fight. Okay. This one. Yeah, man. What are these guys doing? Yeah, bring some more. Yes, sir. Woo. I'm gonna adjust that DPI because I just want it to be moving faster. So I think here I have to press 1, and is it control? Yes, control. That's what's up about this video today. I hope you enjoyed on that kind of God of War playing. It's a really kind of great and amazing game. We clutched through using the gaming kit of Porodo 5-in-1. It's a really kind of great and amazing combo. So if you're out there looking for a great and amazing kind of gaming kit, gaming combo, and you just want to keep it on your arsenal or your kind of PC setup and enjoy that kind of grooveness, well, you know the place to be. You can get it at Gadgetronix if you're living in Arusha. And another kind of stuff, if you're new here, consider subscribing and supporting your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.